Hey, Roxy. You're a beautiful girl. You're a beautiful girl. Let's see your puppies. Let's see some of those puppies. Hi. Hi. Oh, that is a pile of puppies right there. That is a pile of puppies. Can I see you? Can I see you? Hey. I'm sorry. You're big puppies. You're big puppies, aren't you?